Perhaps, slightly off the beaten track, there is a lovely little spot, a place of friendship and hospitality. A place where life seems to move at a different pace, simply because people have time for each other and everyone is made welcome. Sometimes there is music, talent freely given for the enjoyment of others. Lord, if I am feeling a little lonely or sad this night, help me to realize that all around me there is so much kindness and generosity, that there are many pleasant people who are only too willing to help if given the opportunity.